quick reading for June the 5th to June the 6th, Pisces. Your cards are the Six of Cups, the Chariot, and the Star. Nakikita natin dito with the Six of Cups, medyo hindi maayos yung it could be cool off, no? Or challenges na ito. Namimiss ka na daw ni person. Ngayon parang gusto ka niyang puntahan or pwedeng hindi ka nagpakita or hindi ka sumasagot, no, sa mga messages niya. It felt like matutuwa ka kasi meron ditong pagsuyo na gagawin si person. The Three of Swords and the Four of Cups. Talagang meron kang pushback, no, na ginagawa. I don't really know what happened pero yung pushback mo, for sure hindi mo naman to gagawin kung hindi ka nasaktan or hindi ka nagtampo. May mga pagtatampo dito eh. Ngayon parang si person, yun nga, pupunta, susuyuin ka, makikipag-usap, aayusin why these things happen. And I feel like the communication, para magkakaroon ng clarity para sa inyong dalawa at magkakaroon ng pag-aayos, no, dito sa inyong connection. So this is your quick reading, Pisces, for June the 5th to June the 6th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.